Cases that has kept the court busy from September 2010 had been the quest to answer the question of who should control hotels, restaurants, and other tourism facilities in different states. Finally, on July 19, 2013, the Supreme Court made her pronouncement. Lagos State, as well as other states of the Federation, have been authorized to regulate the activities of tourism facilities located in their geographical jurisdiction.
The court validated the hotel licensing law of Lagos State as amended. The court validated the hotel occupancy and restaurant consumption tax law of Lagos State, and the court invalidated those sections of the Nigerian Tourism Development Corporation Act which encroached into state jurisdiction.
From this understanding, the state government has decided to pay more attention to consumption tax, although the view of Hotel and Personal Services Employer Association of Nigeria is different.
Lagos State government passed another law called the consumption tax, as you call it. In the law, they excluded hotel and restaurant and other business from the application of sales tax. And then they make that consumption tax to look as if it is an independent tax different from sales tax. So Hotel and Personal Services Employer Association, which I'm the president, filed an action at the Federal Court. And we got an order of the court that no. And Lagos State government appealed to Court of Appeal. That case is still there.
Another issue that can be deduced from the judgment is that state governments will now grade their hotels.
It's not Lagos State government that is going to decide who is 5-star or 4-star. It's a composition of persons, credible persons, who will now look at everything and say, yes, you are 1-star, you are 5-star. If you have a problem with what has been said, there's the appeals committee. It's another committee made up of outsiders, again, who will then look at it and say, you indeed have 1 or 5 stars.
You're going to have one system for grading in Lagos and another grading system for grading in Ibadan or Calabar or Kano. So what is graded as a 5-star hotel in Lagos, it may not meet the requirements. That same hotel taken elsewhere may not meet the requirements for a 5-star hotel in another state.
Although the issue of hotel licensing and grading has been put to rest with the judgment of the Supreme Court, industry watchers say what may be a bone of contention in the nearest future is what tax to be paid by operators and to which arm of government. Ini Thompson reporting for Channels Television.